You still waiting for someone to come save you? You still hoping that one day everything will just fix itself? Wake up. No one is coming. No one is going to do it for you. It's on you. You keep making excuses. I'm tired. I don't have enough time. It's too hard. You're feeding yourself lies, and you believe them. But deep down, you know the truth. You know you're capable of more. You know you were meant for more. How many days have you wasted sitting around, wishing your life was different? How many times have you told yourself, tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes? Stop waiting. Start moving. You've fallen? Get up. You failed? So what? Everybody fails. Everybody falls. But not everybody gets back up. Not everybody fights. And that's the difference between those who make it and those who don't. You say you're struggling? Good. Struggle means growth. Pain means progress. You don't get stronger by avoiding the fight. You get stronger by stepping into it, by embracing the grind, by pushing through when your body, your mind, and everything inside you is screaming for you to quit. No more complaining. No more feeling sorry for yourself. You've got one life, one shot, and every second that passes is time you will never get back. What are you doing with it? Are you making the most of it? Or are you wasting it, drowning in self-pity, letting fear control you? Look in the mirror. That's your competition. That's the only person who can hold you back. And that's the only person who can set you free. So stop looking for a handout. Stop looking for someone to save you. Be your own savior. You say you want a better life? Then fight for it. Earn it. Nobody owes you anything. If you want success, go get it. If you want to be stronger, push harder. If you want change, stop waiting for permission and make it happen. Stand up. Take control. Rebuild your life. No more weakness. No more excuses. You are capable. You are powerful. You are unstoppable. Now go, and don't you dare stop until you reach the top.